Today I'm going to show you how you can earn $5 per minute just by typing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification. The first thing you need to do is go to typingtest.com. I believe that many of you are familiar with this website. Actually, what you need to do is to test your typing skill. As you can see here, you can test your typing skill in 1 minute here. Here you choose how much time you need for the test. As you can see, you can test your skills from 1 minute to 10 minutes. Here you can choose the difficulty from easy to medium to hard. I suggest choosing the medium level. Here you press start and you can test your typing skill. Now this is important for this method. Here you can see that you have a minute to test your skills. As you can see, I finished the test now. What I suggest is to actually focus on accuracy, not speed, because it is more important to type more accurately. Here, when I click, the result of my skill is displayed. Here you can see the accuracy and speed. You should try to get more than 95% accuracy. Here you can see that I actually got 24. The average is 36. So I didn't actually do my best. But that's because I was actually making this for the video. Like I say, try to make it at least 36 and make it more than 95. That's good. That's important. If you are not satisfied with the way the internet is doing, what you can do is simply click here. Typing course can be found here. In fact, here you can find 14% typing, which can help you improve your skill. Typing helps. Now, after you improve your typing skills, after your accuracy is more than 95%, you should actually go to a website called rev.com. Go and find fast and accurate transcription services here. Basically, you need to transcribe audio and video. You also need to translate subtitle and videos. So here you can get audio and video transcription for $1.50 per minute. Also get $1.50 per minute for captioning. They also pay $5 for subtitles. Here you can see they have over 750,000 customers. Here you can see they work with some really big companies, but this page is actually their sales page for their customers. You scroll down and click on become a freelancer. Actually, we want to earn money with this website. Here you can see there is a flexible work schedule, which means you can work whenever you like work. If you want to work later, work later. You can also choose who you want to work with. In fact, you don't have to work with everyone. Just work with people you really like out of hundreds of jobs work. And you can get paid weekly. That's what's important to a lot of you, and you get paid through. That's actually good news. And here you can see the transcriptions. So if you're transcribing audio, and you can get from 30 cents to $1. Here you can see subtitle. You can earn anywhere from 54 cents to $1.10 per minute. Actually, When you scroll here, you can start earning through the steps. Here and here you can see a foreign language. You can earn from $1.50 to create subtitles for audio and video files. When you click here, you can find out more. You can see which country's language is actually available, and you can also see the average income of people. Here, freelancers earn almost $1,000s a month. The next site where you can earn a lot of money by typing is very similar to the previous one. The name of the site is transcribeme.com. You can scroll down to the bottom of the page and click this button here to get started. As you can see, you can earn from $15 to $22 per hour and earn an average of 250 cents per month. Payments are made through PayPal before your account is active and you start earning online. You must take a test here. If you pass this short test, your account will be active and you can start your online income. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.